Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing and explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we are covering tip number 10 in a new series that I've been doing called Get Easy Momentum Tips. So today's tip is this: access effortless momentum when you're tired. So if you are somebody who wants momentum in a particular area of life, I invite you to think about what that area of life is. And if feeling tired, or even probably more true for you, if you feel like you can't afford to take your foot off the gas, that it's all on you to make things happen, and that if you stop, then you're going, and even if you're tired, you have to keep on going in order to experience momentum and progress and forward movement. Stick around, because I think you're really going to love today's tip. If you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And the way that I do this is I teach the one skill most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. Because ambitious, goal-oriented people, and here's the thing, tend to have a unique set of behaviors and blind spots that cause them to overdevelop their hunter skills in pursuit of their goals and dreams, while malnourishing the receiving skills that allow them to welcome what they've been working so hard for. But here's the thing. If you are stuck around receiving what you want or surpassing your limits, it's not about working harder. It's about training your awareness. And that distinction is the cause of the upper limit issues that people experience. So that's what we do here at Rise and Receive. We stop all the overdoing, we train our awareness, and we tap into how to receive more of what we want with greater ease and speed. So on to tip number 10, how to access effortless momentum even when you're tired. So this is the thing you need to understand. Momentum does not require you to make things happen. It requires that you understand and tap into and work with the nature of life itself. So the easiest way that I can think of to explain this is, imagine this. Let's say that you want to engage in boat travel. So you're on a boat, okay, and you know that if you row your boat, you're going to be able to make progress and go forward and get a certain amount of momentum. But you don't understand the nature of boat travel. You don't understand the currents of the water. You don't understand how winds work. And so what happens is you think that you absolutely have to rely on rowing to get anywhere, to make any progress. That's going to be really, really hard. And because you don't know the nature of boat travel, currents, and winds, you're going to work hard and you're going to be afraid to stop rowing, because if you stop rowing, you're dead in the water, right? But when you understand the nature of the currents and the winds, you actually realize that not only do you get to rest, not only can you take your foot off the gas or stop the rowing, but when you know how to work with the currents and work with the winds and put up your sail, not only do you get to rest, but you actually can go farther with greater ease and speed, because now you're partnering with life and nature. And that's how it is when we train our awareness. Life always provides kindness. Life is always offering everything that you need to move forward, to have momentum, to go in the direction you want to go. And if you learn how to catch the wind, if you learn how to partner life, not only is it a lot easier and a lot faster, but it takes you beyond where you could go on your own. If you're willing to stop the hard work and train your awareness, this is what gets you beyond your upper limits. So I hope this makes sense. Please, leave me some comments. If you have any questions, let me know how this is landing for you. And this is your takeaway. This is your awareness practice for the day. This card comes from the Receive Oracle card deck. And here's your message: receive rest. Receive rest. And the affirmation that you get to play with to train your awareness is, if you are feeling tired and if you feel like you can't take your foot off the gas, just stop and focus your awareness here instead. I am willing to believe that I can receive infinite possibilities as I rest. Imagine that. Imagine actually feeling safe enough to take your foot off the gas and to trust in life and to know that life is bringing you wins and support as you need it, when you need it, and you're safe. I am willing to believe that I can receive infinite possibilities as I rest. Now, this idea of how life works in support of you is so deep and so profound and so amazing when you really understand that rest not only gives you a break, but it actually allows you to receive when you actually let yourself rest. You can learn more about that in the little booklet that comes with the Receive Oracle cards. If you like what you're hearing, you can go to Amazon and learn 56 receiving principles with the booklet. Do a deeper dive into this idea today. So I hope you like this. I invite you to try this, not just today, but if you're listening to me live on a Friday for the next 2 days, imagine focusing on receiving infinite possibilities as you rest, as you take your foot off the gas for 3 days. Just try it out. See what happens. It's a very, very powerful thing. And if you're not listening to me live, I'm going to give you some extra tips on the recordings over the weekend. So this is something that you can practice anytime for today and 2 more days. Practice really being willing to receive as you rest. All right. If this was helpful, please like, please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. Also click the red subscribe button on the YouTube. Same thing. I'll let you know when I'm releasing new videos. And if you're enjoying these tips and you've missed any of them, go to easymomentumtips.com. You'll find a number of different ways that you can go back to the beginning and catch up on the ones that you missed. And if you're really excited about not only activating momentum, but energizing it, where you can receive your clarity, your power, and your path forward, save the date for Saturday, May 21. I'm doing a brand new workshop called the Get Momentum Workshop. I'll release details so you can learn more about that and register. I'd love to have you there. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy resting for 3 days as much as you can with this training, with training your awareness, with this awareness practice. And remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Bye, everybody.